Our topic is algebraic identity, and we are taking a very new identity that deals with the cubes of the numbers. Here we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So if we have an expression of this type, then the factors according to this identity will be x plus y plus z is one factor, and the second factor will be x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. How it is true? We are going to do a proof of this. Now, taking left hand side, we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now, taking x cube plus y cube together, we can write it as the difference of these two expressions. How? We know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube. That is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So, because we want to find out the value of this term, and that is x cube plus y cube, we transpose this term to the left hand side. So, x plus y cube, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y, and this is the value which we are writing over here. So now we are left with z cube and minus 3xyz. Now again combining x plus y whole cube plus z cube. You can see here x plus y whole cube plus z cube minus 3xy into x plus y minus 3xyz. Now how we can combine this? Again it can be compared to a cube plus b cube. In place of a, x plus y, in place of b, z. So again we can write by using this expression, that is a plus b whole cube, that is x plus y plus z whole cube minus 3 into a is x plus y, and b, that is z, and a plus b, that is x plus y plus z. Now writing the other two terms as such, minus 3xy into x plus y minus 3xyz. Now taking minus 3xy common over here, we have x plus y plus z inside the bracket. Now we can see that there are three terms here, and in each of these three terms x plus y plus z is common. So taking x plus y plus z is common, we are left with x plus y plus z ka whole square minus 3 into x plus y into z minus 3xy. Now simplifying, we know that expansion of this expression is a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So it is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Now simplifying this expression also, minus 3xz minus 3yz minus 3xy, and then combining the like terms, we are getting inside the bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus xz. So now we can see that this identity has two factors. One factor is x plus y plus z, and the other factor is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Now we will be doing one question based on it. So the question is, you have to factorize, that is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So by looking at the question, you should be able to find out that it is comparable with the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Why? Because we can write these numbers in the form of whole cube, and this last term is the product of these three terms x, y, z. So rearranging, 27x whole cube can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x. So we can write it as 3x whole cube. Similarly, y whole cube plus z whole cube, and then 3abc, that means 3 into, this term is a, this term is b, this term is c, that is 3 into 3x into y into z. Now comparing with the identity, that is, we have two factors here, x plus y plus z and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So now let us see what is x here. X is 3x, y is y, and z is z. So in place of x, you are going to write 3x. So 3x plus y plus z, again 3x the whole square plus y square plus z square minus 3x into y minus y into z minus z into 3x. Now simplifying, 3x plus y plus z, we are getting 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz.